Hello again, thank you for joining us. Today we're going to be discussing the term of the week, but before we get into that, if you would please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell above, it helps us a lot. So today's term of the week is loan to cost. Now, typically when you hear loan to cost, you're also going to hear their acronym, which is LTC. Now, what is loan to cost and how does it pertain to you? Now, typically you're going to hear the term loan to cost when you are fixing and flipping properties. Lenders will typically say something like, we lend up to 90% LTC, which is loan to cost. Now, what is loan to cost? In essence, guys, loan to cost is the total loan amount to the total cost of the project. Now, that cost of the project includes the purchase price and the rehab funds. Those are the two main components of how much it's going to cost to complete your project. And so we'll just go over a quick example to show you what the numbers would look like and how they would pan out when we're talking about loan to cost. So let's just say you have a property, you want to purchase it, and it's going to cost you $150,000. There we go. So $150,000 property. Now, that property needs $50,000 in rehab. So right now, your total cost of your project is what? $200,000, right? Now, being that your total cost of your project is $200,000, now you need to know, okay, what is the lender going to give me? What's my total loan to cost? And typically, like I said in the very initial conversation when we started here, was 90%. Typically, lenders will cover up to 90% of the loan to cost. And in this situation, what's 90% of $200,000? It's $180,000. So in this case, when the lender says, hey, we're going to lend up to 90% of your total cost of your project, total cost is $200,000, they're going to lend you up to $180,000. So what that means is that you have to come in with that other $20,000 to help the lender feel comfortable with the project and lending you money. So hopefully I hope this term of the week helped you guys today. If you have any questions at all, feel free to put it in the comments if you want to start a conversation. And before you leave, please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell above. It really does help us a lot. Thank you so much. Talk to you guys soon.